sew up toy. There's like scissors and stuff everywhere.
Hold on, I gotta turn this up.
Okay. We're gonna make a cake. And it's gonna be chocolate fudge with chocolate Pillsbury. Nicole, come here. Ready? Don't move. Come here. Well, don't move. Well, don't move. Come here. Like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
It's not even Pillsbury cake. We have Pillsbury confetti.
Oops.
I totally just did a retarded dance. How many eggs? I kind of need that.
3.
Tab did nothing.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I just tried to put the camera on there, but it was too small, so I put the bowl on there and it's too big. Ah, shoot, I'm so dumb. Oh, duh. Let's be smart, Ashley. Hang on, wait.
Uh-oh.
There we go. What? Did you get a shell in there?
No, we're recording and I just...
It's right here. That's what I was talking. What is it?
No way. Wow. No. I could just like film.
Oh my gosh, I did not want to do cheesers. Doing the nitty gritty. And I sat up where it was like,
Oh my god. Okay, that's the last one.
I want to stir it.
Well, we need plus some water.
Dude, that totally looks like a freaking vaginal fluid.
Vaginal stuff. 1 1/3 cup water. How much?
Should I put it over here?